Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng Adamson Soaring Falcons ang UE Red Warriors 25-21, 23-25, 20-25, 25-17, 15-12. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Mark Leo Cogimbal sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 12 attacks, 5 blocks at 1 excellent dig. Nag-ambag naman si Aguilar ng 15 points, Paulino 15 points, Gutierrez 14 points, Obeda 12 points, Domingo 3 points, Tahilo din 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UE Red Warriors, nagtala si DeFeo ng 22 points, Asiron 20 points, Season 9 points, Roca 9 points, Aligayon 6 points, Kamaymayan 3 points, Pukita 3 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang UP Fighting Maroons 25-16, 25-18, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Amel Pasinio sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 12 attacks, 2 blocks, 3 aces at 4 excellent digs. Nagtala si Batas ng 14 points, Salarson 10 points, Castro 7 points, Gopio 5 points, Reyes 3 points, Gutierrez 1 point, Yo 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UP Fighting Maroons, nagtala si Nicolas ng 10 points, Castrodes 10 points, Rahim 9 points, Lipata 5 points, Akaak 3 points, Lagando 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, winalis ng Adamson Lady Falcons ang UE Lady Warriors 25-20, 25-11, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Felicity Sagaysay sa likod ng kanyang 2 points, 2 attacks at 14 excellent sets. Nagtala si Nitora ng 18 points, Noike 11 points, Hamele 9 points, Villegas 8 points, Doti 4 points, Bascon 4 points. Para naman sa natalong UE Lady Warriors, si Fada 10 points, Bangayan 9 points, Nogales 8 points, Balingit 3 points, Cañete 3 points, Samodyo 3 points, Ginoo 2 points, Icalya 1 point, Famulagan 1 point. Dinaig naman ng Ateneo Lady Eagles ang UP Lady Maroons 15-25, 25-23, 27-25, 30-32, 16-14. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Lian Di Guzman sa likod na kanyang 25 points, 23 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 14 digs at 14 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Minor ng 19 points, Pasha 13 points, Chuatico 12 points, Sulit 11 points, Fujimoto 2 points, Montoro 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UP Lady Maroons, Itang 24 points, Habonita 20 points, Monares 18 points, During 15 points, Olango 13 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 22, 2025. FEU Tamaraws 7 wins, 0 loss, 21 points. NU Bulldogs 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 5 wins, 3 losses, 15 points. UST Golden Spikers 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Del Isu Green Spikers 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Adamson Soaring Falcons 2 wins, 6 losses, 6 points. UP Fighting Maroons 2 wins, 6 losses, 5 points. UE Red Warriors 0 win, 8 losses, 2 points. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of March 22, 2025. NU Lady Bulldogs 7 wins, 0 loss, 19 points. Del Isu Lady Spikers 5 wins, 2 losses, 16 points. UST Golden Tigresses 5 wins, 2 losses, 15 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 3 wins, 5 losses, 9 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 3 wins, 5 losses, 9 points. UP Fighting Maroons 3 wins, 5 losses, 8 points. UE Lady Warriors 0 win, 8 losses, 2 points. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 23, 2025 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Para sa Men's Division, maglalaban ang NU Bulldogs at Del Isu Green Spikers alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang FEU Tamaraws at UST Golden Spikers alas 11 ng umaga. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang FAU Lady Tamaraws at UST Golden Tigresses alauna ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang inyo Lady Bulldogs at Del Eso Lady Spikers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.